Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to write a odd number program. Odd numbers are those integers that cannot be evenly divisible by 2 like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. So let's get started to write an odd number program. So I have already created that CS file for odd numbers. So guys, I have posted one video related to even number program. That was my last video. You can check the link on this screen on the top right. So first thing we will do it here is like just copy this even number code and exact paste it inside this odd number CS file. Now I will do some basic changes in it. First save it and then I will explain the details. So like as you can see here that we have one list number. So first I'll do one thing, like I'll do the changes. So instead of even number, make it odd everywhere. And here we are using these two list integers, number and odd number, and main thing is our for each loop, the first one. And here condition we just need to do is like wherever we divide any number with 2, if it is 0 then it will show even number list, and if it is 1 then it will show odd number list. So this is the basic change, and if I run the program, as you can see that the list of odd number is 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. So this is how it works, and for the more details you can also go through the even number program. That was my previous video, so please go through. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.